Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can sell USDT using P2P, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First of all, you need to click on trade option just down below on your screen. Now in here you can see P2P option right at top. You just need to click there, and don't forget you'll find your fiat currency at right side. Now after that you need to modify the USDT that you want to sell. Let's say I want to sell USDT worth of $100. Now click on confirm. Now you need to click on sell option at top on your screen. Now I recommend you to choose first one for best deal, so click on sell. Enter your amount again that you want to sell. Let's say I'm gonna use 100 USDT. And select the payment method on the screen. Finally click on sell USDT, and after that you will be able to communicate with seller and you can sell your USDT. So basically this is how you can sell USDT using P2P. And if you still encounter any issue during the trading process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.